The next morning, the iron master and his daughter got up in good season. Good season means early. To go to the early Christmas service. Because they were Christian, that's why they were going for the service. They were going to the church. Their guest was still asleep. Guest means here rat trap seller. He was still sleeping, and the rat trap seller at that time was in the home of the iron master. The iron master and his daughter decided not to disturb the rat trap seller, and they did not disturb him. So this is a very good thing from the side of the iron master and his daughter. That means they have good hospitality, they give respect to the guest. At church, now when they came to the church, she had learned, she means the daughter of iron master, she had learned that one of the old crofters of the iron works had been robbed by a man who went around selling rat traps. At church, iron master's daughter got this news. What is the news? The news is about old crofter who was working in iron works, means that company, that mill, and he had been robbed by a man. Who was that man? The seller of rat traps. That person who was selling rat traps. And that means they understood that that guest which was at that time in their home was no other than a thief. Now they had a doubt. They were thinking, both iron master and his daughter, both were thinking that now we are at church, but that our guest who was actually a thief, he was at that time in their home. So they were thinking that there is a possibility that he might steal our valuable things. The iron master asked the valet, so they immediately from church they immediately returned back to home. And when they came to home, they asked the valet. Valet means servant. The iron master asked the valet. Valet means servant. Whether the stranger, stranger means here rat trap seller, was still there. Because they have doubt that perhaps the rat trap seller will be not there. He added that he had heard at church that the man was thief, and iron master also added the thing that he also said this thing to the servant, that at the church he listened that that person was a thief. The valet answered that the fellow had gone. This is the answer of the servant. He said that the fellow means rat trap seller, had gone. The valet answered that the fellow had gone and that he had not taken anything with him at all. The man had gone and he had not stolen anything. He had not taken anything with him. And not only that, but on the contrary, he had left behind a little package. Package means packet. Not only this, but he put the stranger, the guest, yeah, we can say the rat trap seller, he put a packet for the iron master and his daughter. The young girl, means iron master's daughter, opened the package. She opened the packet because she had curiosity to see what was there in the packet. And when she opened the packet, she found a small rat trap. In the packet there was a small rat trap, and in it lay 3 wrinkled 10 kroner knots. And the rat trap seller also put 3 kroner knots, 10 kroner knots. The money which he had stolen from the house of old crofter. The rat trap lay also a letter, and he also wrote a letter and he put the letter in that packet. What was there? What was written in that letter? The rat trap seller had written in that letter that because your behavior was very good towards him, that's why he had also behaved in a very nice way. He did not steal anything from the house, and he also requested to give 10 kroner 10 kroner knots to the old crofter. And here it is the end of lesson. So we can say that at the end of the lesson, the attitude and the behavior of the rat trap seller is totally changed. He became a good person, we can say, and this is only and only because of very nice and good behavior of the daughter of Iron Master. So I hope you understand the lesson.